First, focusing. It is where the students' attention are being caught by creating situations for them to focus their attention to. It is the starting point of the activity and the lesson. It is good to use situations which they can relate to so that they would be more interested. The next one is the process of inquiry. This is a systematic way of going through the lesson where the teacher guides the pupils. The first step in this point is drawing the topic of discussion. This is also referred to as identification of the problem in scientific terms. This step allows the pupils to ask questions and encourages them to do so. Next is organizing the questions or topic of discussion. This is where the students, with guidance of the teacher, analyze the question and arrange them logically. This is interactive as students participate in formulating the questions. Drawing hypotheses from the pupils. In this step, the students are asked to understand the situation and answer the questions tentatively. And then, gathering data. This requires students to the sources of information like the library to collect data needed to answer the questions. Next is analyzing, organizing, and presenting the data. In this step, the teacher guides the pupils in putting their data together. This is of course simpler in lower grades. They are not required to gather data lengthily, but they are required to share their findings with the class under the teacher's guidance. Verifying the hypothesis. This is where the tentative answers or hypotheses will be judged whether they are acceptable or not. Last one is formulating conclusions and generalizations. This is the final step wherein students formulate their conclusion with accordance to their questions.